During a well-needed holiday, I took the Fujifilm X-T4 with me to take some holiday pictures. Awesome camera for that purpose, by the way. I made a review on the Fujifilm X-T4 and I'll link the video up here. I found it a bit ridiculous to upload RAW files every time onto Lightroom when I took some random pictures, for example on a holiday or with family. I think RAW files are more for professional occasions, like for a shoot for a company or portraits or something like that. I also want to use my camera for more recreational purposes, like going on a holiday. And that's why I chose to shoot in JPEG. Even though I'm not a film photographer, I really like the aesthetic of film photography or analog photography. So after doing some research, I found out about the world of Fujifilm Recipes. I thought in the first place that these were just presets for Lightroom, but I was wrong. Fujifilm Recipes are basically settings for your Fujifilm camera to make them look a certain way. As the name suggests, Fujifilm Recipes are basically JPEGs with some certain settings to make your pictures look like it's taken with an analog camera. And that's pretty cool in my opinion. So in short, you can turn your Fujifilm camera into an analog camera. Even though it's not 100% the same, you still have that analog edge to it, and I kinda like it. Here are some examples of pictures I took with the Fujifilm X-T4 with Fujifilm Recipes. You can find these recipes on the blog Fuji X Weekly. Richie, the founder of this blog, has made beautiful examples and clear instructions on how to use it on your Fuji system as well. Even better, he released an app where everything is listed as well. On the X-T4 and I think on any other Fujifilm system, it's possible to insert the effect and save it to a preset tab. Give it a custom name and you're good to go when you're out with your camera. So to conclude this video, I really like the Fujifilm Recipes and it has opened a new world for me. In the future, I'll share my favorite recipes and maybe do a street photography with JPEGs only. I know it has been a long time since I've uploaded, but I needed to make some priorities first. I had too much work and now I'm super happy that I'm back. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.